There's another example of a lovely slate clock that I've converted to quartz, maintaining all the original authenticity of the clock. So we've got the original hands, fake winders so we don't have two big empty holes where the movement used to be. The clock time can be changed from slowly turning the minute hand. If you can hear, there's a slight mechanical tock, which is the Seiko movement pendulum. That can be turned off. If you don't want that, you can just clip the pendulum over to one side. This movement's also got a volume switch, volume dial, and an on-off switch. You can also have it in night mode, so it only chimes from 6 AM to 11 PM. We just turn the clock forward an hour. We'll hear the chimes. There's a Westminster chime pattern, so it's every quarter of an hour, getting progressively longer.